All right, Fred Burrow. Say your name.
Andrew.
Nope.
Sparkles.
Sparkles. That's right. Fred Burrow, Sparkles. Swift Plumbers. Did you leave that hose bib on?
No, I just shut it off.
Okay. We just fixed this backflow here. You can see the triangle on there spinning as if we've still got a leak. Although we did have it sitting still, chances are the customer's in the house running water right now. So what we'll do to make sure that that's not true is we'll go up here. Hope this gate valve doesn't close. Hey, senior, how you doing? It's me and Sparkles are getting a hit backflow done. There's Sparkles. All right, so see that leak indicator's not moving now. So he was running water inside the house. We had the hose bib open, but Andrew shut it off. Or, sorry, Sparkles shut it off. We opened that hose bib to get rid of the dirt and any of the glue and whatnot. I had to shut you off because I had to show the meter was stopped, okay?
Yeah.
We're all done.
Yeah.
Andrew will come collect in a moment, okay? You doing check or credit card?
Yeah.
Okay. Either way, whichever one you prefer, sir. I'm going to fill this in. Andrew, we are ready to collect. Something's on in the house, though, sir.